Settings, you can manage different aspects of your tenant. A tenant is basically your organization. So in this, we have a test tenant called Rengage. One thing you can manage is something called link management. So in emails, we said there are UTM links. But let's say you want to create a specific template for those emails. For example, I want to say this is UTM, email UTMs. So if you want these UTMs to be specific to email, you could just say, hey, this is the template. You can add specific tags. For example, you could add key here. Let's say UTM, I think source. And you could say here value like email, or you can ignore that value and assign it later. You can say UTM medium. You could say iOS or device. And you can basically define these different UTMs, and then you can go apply to email. Content setting is a way for you to manage your fonts. So you can upload new fonts, you can manage default fonts right here in that experience. So you don't have to go and manage it again. You can manage the body color, you can manage the link color itself, or the background of that, the standard background for your email whenever it opens. So let's say I want to make my standard background is white. Now that is saved right away. Integrations is a way for you to manage integrations. You won't need to do that. Mostly our engineering team will manage it for you. What kind of email service you use, push service you use, SMS. And if you're using experimentation, we can also trigger or integrate with your experimentation stack. For now, we support one only, which is StatSync. Channel settings is how many emails can be sent, limit on emails that can be sent within a single journey. So this way, you want to make sure that customers get a warning before they send an email, a wide blast email to, let's say, 1 million users. So you want to set that limit high enough, like let's say 50,000, 100,000. So the marketeer or the user using our product would get a notification, hey, you're going to send an email or a campaign to a large number of users. Are you sure? It's just a warning. Same thing for SMS and push as well. Subscription center. If you have an email service that basically you're sending emails from, we want to actually set up for you what we call a subscription center, where the customers can basically add topics to that subscription center. And basically customers can unsubscribe right there into that experience. So you can create a new category, and then that new category, so let's say this is one, we'll say promotions. And basically you can track those different promotions right here. Webhook settings. If you have or are using webhooks, you can easily add a new webhook that then can be triggered in any journey that you have. So this is a way to centralize all your webhooks in one place, and then you can just select, drag and drop from there. And then lastly, if you're an engineer and you want to connect to our APIs, you can actually connect to our API key and select it from here. All what you have to do is create a new key. And once you create a new key, automatically you can copy it and start using it.